I'm getting ready to do a figuring session on this 17.5-inch mirror. It's a clean mirror, but the first thing I always do is take my clean hand, and rub over the surface to look for particles. Your hand is very, very sensitive, and it will pick up even the smallest of particles. And the idea is to just push them over the edge. Then I'll go and use just a water bottle and give it an overall spray. And then I'll take some cerium oxide and shake it up well. Usually I try not to hold that over the mirror. That's not the best technique, but give it a little squirt. And then I prepare the pitch polisher. This polisher is a 6-inch pitch polisher. You can see the thickness of the pitch on the side. It's about almost half an inch thick, I guess. And I use a brass brush, and I give the whole pitch flap a good scrub. I go in every direction here. Quite a little bit of pressure. I'm hoping to remove the little bit of crust that you get on a pitch polisher and get down to halfway clean pitch. And then I just use some clean water, get rid of the dust that I've created, and that polisher is ready to use. So everything's ready to go here. I get the polisher on the tool and turn the machine on. I keep it very slow. This is set up for 3.4 RPMs at the moment. And the first thing I want to do is spread out that cerium oxide. So I just gently give it some swirls for one lap. Now this particular mirror is very nearly finished. It's about a 10th wave right now. And the remaining defect is at the 5-inch radius. And it's a very small defect, maybe 30 nanometers high there extra. So I'm going to do a stroke at that point. To get to 5 inches, I need about 3/4 of an inch inside here where it's not hanging over. And I give it a stroke like this, where the stroke goes edge to edge and it ends with some overhang here. And I do that because in addition to this 5-inch problem, or 5-inch radius that is a problem, the edge of this mirror is just slightly undercorrected. So by hanging this polisher out over the edge like this, it will cause that edge to pick up a little correction even in a short little session. So I'll work this for about 3 or 4 minutes, and that'll be the entire session.